on, y'all. We are heading to the dunes. We're in Las Vegas. We're at the Nellis dunes, and we have a caravan of about 8 to 10 cars. So we got a bunch of vehicles going out. Hopefully no one gets stuck. Hopefully that did not just jinx us. Last time we were here, we got stuck in the truck. Yep. Stay tuned. We made it. We didn't lose nobody. We got some people and some people and some people.
Representing Dark Wave, Tampa style.
Yeah. Jeremy.
Hello. Driving off. We're on home, but.
We got the peoples.
Yeah.
We got the peoples.
Hi.
We got the peoples. And the peoples.
More peoples.
And more peoples. Let's see who else we got.
You gotta see it. You wanna see? You wanna see? You wanna see what I was talking about from yesterday? You wanna see it? Ah! I gotta take a picture of it.
That's fucking fierce.
Like it, and he was so crystal clear. He's like, you're a warrior. You're fighting. I need you this. I need you weight in your front foot. Like, hold on, let me take a picture.
That was a little early in on the road, but you know, got here.
We got to me.
I was like,
Hello, hello, hello.
what's up?
How are you?
Good.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hi.